guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up for Binance account. So to do this, it's pretty simple. So here in my application in Binance, as you can see, we are here in the Binance application. So it will welcome you here in Binance, and here you can create an account by agreeing to Binance terms and services and privacy policy. So you can also sign up with your Google or your Apple ID, or you can manually enter it in your email or phone number. So I'm gonna go with Google. So after that, it'll show this privacy and terms. So by creating an account, you will have to agree to it. So just press next. And then here, setting up your account, of course, you're gonna need your verification code from your Gmail. So let's just search up our Gmail right here. And then let's check if we received one. So let's see if we have received one recently. And there you go. So once you have confirmed your identity, now you will have to verify it right here. So I have an unverified Binance account. It's just that simple. So now all you have to do is verify it. So here you will have to do identity authentication. So here in your authentication, you'll get verified. You'll have no more account limits, and you can use the full potential of Binance. So here you'll have to do your residency, an ID that's government issued, and then you'll have to do a video call with a Binance supervisor that will get you verified in no time. And then they will have to review it, and then it's just that simple. So there you go, guys. If this video is useful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.